What is up, guys? We're going to do a colored tornado. So we're going to have some food dye, green and blue are from me. We're going to have a little guest. He's my brother. He's going to do red and yellow. So you just need a spoon, clear jug, or anything that's clear. Doesn't have to be glass. Spoon, water, whatnot. No bag today. So just spin this up very fast, and then take one drop of any color, put it in the middle, and then it just spins like that. Whoa! I'm going crazy.
Two colors.
Whoa!
Going even crazier.
No, stop!
Wait.
Ugly. Whoa, it's going down and up. Do the yellow, do the yellow.
What the? Yellow didn't change it much.
It's like a legitimate tornado.
What the heck? On the screen it just looks black.
Exactly. Tornado.
Oh. Okay, now we're just gonna do the blue
Shut
one.
up. Who said you could talk?
The one who came up with this idea?
Me. What is up, guys? So I am back. We're just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna tell you the directions now because that's really loud. We're just gonna do the same thing as the, red, blue, yellow, and green. So you're just gonna stir it up and put one drop of blue food dye in it.
I've never done blue just by itself. You can tell it's blue.
That's so cool!
What the?
Stop it! Ooh, blue water.
Remember, never drink this though. Don't fool your friends to drink it.
Drink it! Always trick your friends to drink it. It's food coloring, it's safe.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there's food coloring and cheese. Doesn't matter. Action. Wait, I said action. Hurry up, go.
Alright, so I'm gonna do it.
They know.
Yellow and red.
Or red and yellow.
I'm doing yellow first.
Bossy pants.
Yellow didn't work. What the?
Why does that look red in the bottle?
Am I seeing this right? I'm using straight yellow.
The camera sees it.
I never put red in.
Put red in, put red in.
Oh,
Wait, actually put another red yellow drop in.
You can't reach it.
No.
Why
is it red?
What is this? Am I seeing this straight? What happens if I mix it? It's orange. Why is this red?
Don't know, don't care.
Don't know.
Dump it out.
Now that's fire.
Looks orange on my screen.
Looks orange.
Yeah.
Have to do more red.
Oh, now it looks orange and red.
Really? No, it's orange and red.
Yeah. Well, now it's just
Watch this. Watch this.
still orange and red, but that's because the light's in the background.
Watch this. Hey, Austin.
What's up, buddy? Yeah.